You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. If you want to learn more confusing names and vocabulary, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned to the channel, and we've got tons more videos for you coming up at the end. There are two different pronunciations, and yes, I'm gonna need your help a little bit here. Jerrel is one of them. Jerrel. Some pronounce it as Jerrel. Okay, how do you pronounce it yourself? Let everybody know which one is the most common. How do you pronounce it, Jerrel or Jerrel? Let us know in the comments and upvote the previous comments if you don't want to comment yourself, so we know which one is which, most common, less common. Let's go. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.